Here I have Poco X5, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the additional settings, then go to the languages and input, manage keyboards, Gboard, languages, add keyboard. Here you can see the whole list of the available keyboard languages. As you can see, it's pretty long. So let's pick, for example, Greek. Tap done. And now let's try to write something down in Greek language. So as you can see, by tapping on this globe icon, now I can switch keyboard layout. And now I can type in Greek, just like an ancient Greek philosopher. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.